Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. So yeah, we finna kinda get lit. What you talking about? Okay, so I'm basically going to show y'all my playlist, like the songs I listen to. So yo, most people probably don't know this song.
Queen shit, bitch. These hoes don't know what life about. If money talk, then when the bitch converse, she type it out. That nigga can't get no cash, he just swipe it out.
My generation going downhill, it's wiping out. Meanwhile, I'm trying to. I left my pizza in the oven. That a lot of these is going around, but I could turn you up.
A lot of these little bitches cool,
But they be weak as
time to sweep it up, neat as fuck.
my way, my way.
On a highway, my way.
If a nigga got a problem, he could. Okay, blah, blah. PG. Yeah, feel me. But yeah, let's. You know, this is just the start. The start. Okay. We can't be cute. Okay. Yeah. Bali baby. Pull it and up, pull it out the roof. I got it on me right now. Pull up it. I got it. It used to be broke down rich. Who's he? That nigga a clown. Hello.
Yeah, I got it right now. I can share better pipe down.
Say she wanna fight now.
Know that it's lights out. High as the kites now. She know I'm looking for her.
So she gonna hide out.
What you need, yeah, you know I got it. Run up on me, I'ma pop it.
Yeah.
Basic bitches, yeah, you need to stop it. Stop it, she a cock.
This everybody's song right here. This everybody's song. This everybody's song.
Everything be like off the top DJ. Let's do it.
So we only gonna play a little bit of these because I don't want to copyright. You feel me? You ain't guys want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your lead. Ooh, no copyrighted today. I was in this bitch. I'll be blunt. You see, y'all don't stop on me. What? I'm out of there. I'm like, whatever. Still gonna let me. I'm like, whatever. Still gonna do whatever I tell her. My camera finna die.